Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go over what we did today in class and give you guys another example of what it looks like to convert something from standard form to general form. So if I have a standard form equation like this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what exactly I'm solving for. So if I'm converting to general form, which is y equals ax plus b, or some of you might have learned it mx plus b back in the day, notice how y is by itself. So if I want to isolate and get y by itself, I need to move everything that's not y over to the right side. If I want to move 6x over to the right side, the only way to do that is to subtract it. Because if I subtract, this becomes 0. When I move it over, I have to simplify 12 minus 6x. Notice that these are not like terms, okay? The 12 does not have an x, and the 6 does. So we can't put those together. So if we can't put them together, we're just going to write them as is. My last step is to look at what's in front of y. Now remember, I don't want to make y go away. I want to make the number in front 1, right? There's a secret little 1 there. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by 4. And when I do that, I have to do it to everything. So I have y equals 12 divided by 4 is 3. I can't take 6 divided by 4. So I'm just going to leave it as a fraction. Notice though, when I look up here, my x is pretty much right next to the equal sign. Right now my x is on the end, and that's not what I want. So I need to figure out what exactly goes with the x. Well, there's a 6 over 4 that goes with x, but also we have to keep in mind that we're subtracting it, which means it's negative. So when we rearrange, we have to make sure to bring that negative with us. The 3 is on the end, which means it's the y-intercept. And that's how you convert to your general form from standard form.